guys, it's me cayabyabkath and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be showing you all of the shades of the Get Ready With Me. So first, I'm just going to prep my face using this Skin Sundefense SPF 30. What I love about this Sun Defense is that it's lightweight, non-greasy, and that it leaves no white cast. Now that it has set on my face, I'll be doing my brows, and as usual, like in my past other videos, I'll be using this too. I always start by brushing my brows, and then I'll be using the Style My Eyebrow pencil from the Face Shop, and there you have it. And then I'll brush off all of the excess and hard edges again. And as usual, I really love curling my lashes because it adds that extra brighten and extra widen effect to my eyes. And I'll be using this Maybelline Total Temptation for my mascara. And now this is my newfound favorite. It's from the fresh SkinLab, a face and body mist. So there you have it. Let's start. So this is the paper bag from the Get Ready With Me, and it comes also with a pouch. I am so loving the PR box of Get Ready With Me. It looks like a milk tea vending machine. All of the shades are named after different flavors of milk tea. Big thumbs up because it's cruelty free and paraben free. So we have here a sticker sheet, and then here's a sticker envelope, I guess. So let's open it. Oh, it really looks like the exact same thing a while ago. I don't know if it happened by mistake or what. So this one is something new. It's a best before date, and this is so perfect. So these are all of the shades of Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. Tint, by the way, is 8 grams each. So let's start swatching. First off with Cheesecake. So there's the shade name at top, and then at this side it has their socials and key ingredients, and in this side it is how to use and all of their ingredients. And then this one is a picture of how the product looks inside the box. So let's open. So this one is how the product actually looks. So aside from at the top of the box, there's also a label of the shade on the cap of the product itself. So if you have multiple items of different shades of this, I suggest you should really be careful with the caps because they don't have labels of the names in the body, but just on the cap. and you might accidentally interchange those caps and then get mixed match of the shade names. So next shade is Winter Melon, and as you can see, there are circles which I guess represent the pearls in the milk tea. Aside from this very wearable shades that I love is that they also have some key ingredients like shea butter, macadamia oil, and vitamin E, which is a plus for me. Next shade is Fruit Tea. And I don't know if it's just me or what, but pressing out and watching the product come out of the spout is just so satisfying, especially if it's new and you can see how it goes out. By the way, I know I'm just watching it on my lips, but you can use this on your cheeks and on your eyelids as well. Now, this shade is Okinawa. In this video, I'm only using my fingers to blend it out on my lips, but you may use a sponge or even a brush for your eyes and cheeks, whatever you're actually comfortable with using. Now we're in our fifth shade, which is 100% sugar. So like I mentioned a while ago, this Get Ready With Me Cosmetics has 3 key ingredients, which is shea butter, macadamia oil, and vitamin E. Fun fact is that shea butter helps moisturize the skin, helps soothe skin, and is safe for all skin types. It is actually an antioxidant and has antibacterial properties. Now we're down to our last shade, which is Mixed Berries. So there you have it. These are all of the 6 shades of the Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Milk Tint. Thanks for watching, guys! And please do click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be updated for more future videos. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching again, guys. Bye!